Alright, welcome back to another video, everyone. And today, I got this. This came in the mail just like a couple of minutes ago. As you may know, if you watched my collection videos, as you can see, I haven't got this in my collection yet because this wasn't available on Amazon in my country. It would have like the currently unavailable thing on it, so yeah, it wasn't available in my country. So yeah, it's now back for around 44 United States dollars. Yeah, $44. Anyways, let's just start the time lapse. First, we're doing now. Alright, this is what it's like. Let's see if it's brand new. Let's open it up. And this is what we got inside. There are puzzle pieces. Little segments. The little middle pieces and the spire piece. The little place where the puzzle stands. Little instructions manual. Yeah. Well, I mean, I'm not getting ready for the time lapse yet, so. Alright, the time lapse. Alright, I'm gonna start the time lapse now.
Okay, please excuse the rushed video set, but this is the Taipei 101 set. As you can see, if you look over there, I'm kind of cleaning up my collection up a little bit. Well, it was like a complete reorganizing of my room, and there's a lot of stuff there. It's going to be moved pretty soon, but this is entirely focused on the Taipei 101 here. As you can see, it is tall. It has the cool little base, as you see. And yeah, they don't even sell these on Amazon anymore. Like, I checked the orders, like the order history on the Taipei 101, and it said like currently unavailable. Like, I'll post the link in the description of the actual item link, and tell me if it's actually still available in your country, because that would be wild if it is. But yeah, here's the Taipei 101 that I forgot to finish on camera. But it's finished, like, maybe probably about a day after recording that video. But it's been like 2 years since I've recorded that, so yeah. Alright. Catch you all soon. I'll probably be uploading whenever I feel like it, which will probably be in the next 6 months. Alright, catch you later.